So I researched about the voice formants, and I have the thought that like the MS-20 has two filters and the voice has two main formants, the vowels, and that makes it possible to use this cool wheel and the total control to modulate both filters and get some weird talkbox effects. At first I had no success, but then it happened. Okay, it's not very convenient to play with one hand, but the mod wheel goes to the total, and then the total affects both filters, and whoa. Also I have this cool button mapped to the LFO amount on the pitch, so I can make Isn't that cool?